back at Soleanna Forest again. This is the same place where I met AG, Terra, and Alex for the first time. Well, I did see AG again, but Terra and Alex were the newer individuals that I met. But I'm just glad that I'm back here again, watching over nature as per usual. But I wonder if there's something new that I can do here. I guess I'll never know. But I'll just go up and see what else is new. Maybe someone new might come and see what's going on, and they might introduce me to something. Huh? Who's this? Who is this guy? I've never seen before, or known him for the first time. Who might you be? To be exact.
The name is Steve the Cat, the ultimate Lifeform. And who are you?
Steve the Cat. Oh, Kit told me a bit of a Fennec named Kit Tsunami told me a bit about you.
Wait. So you're that brown hedge fox Kit told me about.
Yes, I met him in a cafe. We were chatting for a little bit.
I see. Yeah, he told me that he met you there, and he told me that you first had trust issues with you because you don't careful around strangers or people you don't know.
Yeah, that was the first thing he told me, but I was completely respectful for his decisions. I respected the fella after all.
I see. And so your name is Superior, right?
Yes, and forgive me for not introducing myself. You were well aware of what you were at least well aware that Kit told you about me.
Yeah, he told me you were like a god of nature or something.
Elemental god, nature god, or my usual title, Elemental Guardian, but it can be either of those titles. You name it.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
And by nature god, I suppose you do stuff with nature, I guess, like trees, or waters, or rocks.
Yes, but I don't. That's not the only thing I do. I possess elemental abilities. I possess elemental abilities.
Yeah, like I suppose you can make thunderstorms come out of nowhere, or snow come out of nowhere, etc.
I guess, but yeah, maybe some of that, but hey, that's just how natural I can be.
I see. Well, I just came out of Soliana City, meeting up with Laz and Reza.
I've been to Soliana. I've been to Soliana before, and this is my second time being here. The first time I went here was meeting AG along with her boyfriend and Terra the Camelark.
I see.
Yeah,
just come around here.
They were part of a team. They were part of a team called Team Pride, and I was willing to join them.
Team Pride?
Yeah, basically they support each other. Basically that. I can't explain full detail because I have my reasons.
I see. Well, like I said, I just came out of Soleanna City, coming around here just to chill out more.
And did you say you were the ultimate life form?
Yes, I am, just like Shadow, as you can say, because, well, from where I'm from, Shadow the Hedgehog is my ultimate bestie.
This is my first time meeting an ultimate life form. I've never seen one before.
Don't you ever met a Shadow?
I never met a Shadow, but you're an ultimate life form, so you're technically the first one I've seen.
Well, if you ought to meet Shadow, don't get on his bad side.
Believe me, I don't want to go on other people's bad sides. That's the last thing I want to do.
Wise words.
Yeah. So what brings you here to Soleanna Forest?
Well, like I said, just came out of Soleanna City and I discovered this forest called Soleanna Forest. Just figure I'd come around just to chill out alone, I guess, or I mean, they're expecting you to be here, but I mean, as long as there's not too many people around.
Yeah, it's better for at least less people to be here, like 1, 2, or 3. You get my picture.
Yeah.
Anyway,
yeah, just like I'm on my own like week vacation after dealing with a certain event of rescuing Kid Tsunami from Dr. Starlight.
I see.
Yeah, that bastard deserved what he got.
That doesn't sound very pleasant.
Of course. Yeah, especially what he's trying to do with my adopted brother Kid Tsunami, he got what he deserved.
Oh, you adopted Kid? That's pretty nice of you.
I mean, because me and Beck found Kid one day, like he was like all alone. I could tell he was troubled the moment I saw him.
I see.
That's when he told me about what happened in his dimension.
I bet it was pretty rough for Kid Tsunami.
Yeah. Because anyone who messes with Kid Tsunami, they're gonna deal with me.
Yes, and hold on. Your energy is very unique. I can sense it while I saw you.
I mean, yeah. Because the energy you sense is like from within a green chaos emerald, because I was created with that.
If it's chaos abilities, that's something that I'm willing to learn. I may be born with elemental energy, but I still have yet to learn about chaos energy.
Let's see. Yeah. Well, upon my creation, I was instilled all the ultimate lifeform powers from a green chaos emerald.
I see.
And then when I fight hard.
I can basically tell. I did the exact same thing back in my home world. I've been training non-stop, and I'm still going.
Can tell, because I did sense your kinds of energy that I never sensed before when I was coming around, and then I saw you.
But I didn't.
I
brought something else that I would like to show you, and it's from my world. Get it? this is what I call the elemental emerald.
Yeah, I could see that.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's an energy I've never sensed before.
Yeah, it's made from elemental energy back from my world. They were created about a millennium ago. That were made by my godmother. Technically, she's still the current elemental guardian. Before I take that place. Maybe one day. Maybe or soon.
Guess when the time comes, I guess.
Yes. I'm still unsure if I'm willing to take that title, but thankfully my godmother is letting me take some time to think about it, because there are other things that I still need to learn.
Well, as far as for me, I mean, I have a feeling that there's things I need to learn when it comes to chaos abilities, and just don't know what I'm missing.
Yeah, I need to learn chaos abilities as well, because this is my first time on Mobius, and my energy is very unfamiliar, and it somewhat went down a bit. So if I go to my world, I'm pretty much god level, but when I'm here, it just goes down a bit. So I'm not pretty much strong around Mobius.
Yeah, probably because you're not connected to the energies of your home world, I believe.
Basically that, yeah. But hey, if I want to learn new things, then that's something that I'm willing to do.
See. I suppose you were down there.
Yeah, I was watching over the pond. That's what I was basically doing, because it's my daily routine after all, watching over nature and protecting it with my life.
I can see that. I mean, where I'm from, it's like a sort of a cyberpunk city.
Cyberpunk?
It's like a huge advanced technology.
Technology. I'm still a bit salty when it comes to technology, because I have this communicator on my wrist.
Yeah, I can see that, and then the only thing I got from there is my advanced cyberpunk watch I have. That's the only thing I have. I desire no cybernetics or anything like that.
Yeah, and the ones who gave me the communicator was Terra, and the one who gave me a phone for a map was Cookie the Otter, if you're unfamiliar with her.
Cookie the Otter. Maybe another people I encountered may have mentioned her name. I don't know.
Yeah, I've met Cookie in a convenience store, and a lot of things happened. There was some random shit happening, and there was this random guy who was acting very what did Cookie say again? That guy was pretty much very high. That's what I'm gonna say right now.
Okay, whatever that means.
Yeah, it's best that you don't want to know about that, because yeah. Yeah.
I guess I'm not gonna question about it.
Yeah, it's best that you don't question about things. So, the ultimate life form. That sounds pretty unique.
I mean, I'm not the first ultimate life form to exist. I mean, there's Shadow.
Yeah. I'm unfamiliar with I'm unfamiliar with Shadow, but it would be nice if I meet him one day. And not to get, and
I
not
mean, it's easy
go on
to...
his, not to go on his bad side, of
Yeah.
course, because, yeah.
Yeah, it's easy to describe. Black hedgehog with red striped quills.
Alright.
Yeah. And he's the one who taught me the ultimate lifeform ways. You know, from my dimension.
So that's where you got your ultimate powers from. Very intriguing.
Well, like I said, I was created from the Great Chaos Emerald with that gave me the powers, but Shadow is the one who taught me the abilities as the ultimate life form.
I see. That's pretty nice.
And the rings you see on my wrist right now are called inhibitor rings.
The ones that I have right now are called my elemental rings. Basically, I take them off and use them as a last resort attack. And the ones on my wrist or in my shoes.
Yeah, because when I take them off, that's when my full power goes into effect. And yeah, you do not want to get in my way if that happens.
Yeah, it's better if I. Yeah, it's better that I let you. Yeah, do what you do.
Yeah. That's how I am. Well, I suppose I'm gonna be continuing my way, I guess, you know, see what's more around here.
Yeah, I can just stay here and basically go back to what I'm doing.
Yeah. Because, you know, just got more exploring to do to get to know more of this world war. Mobius better because, well, let's just say I came here because, let's just say I did not like my creator, try to get revenge on him, he teleported me into this world, and still find a way to try to get back to that dimension, but the only time will come when I find out.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see why. So you and Shadow are basically similar, or basically that.
When it comes to us being ultimate life forms, yes.
Interesting. I'm not sure if since you're the ultimate life form, I'm unaware if you're able to match my elemental abilities or my energy. But only time will tell.
Who knows? Either way, even if the odds are against me, I don't give up fighting. I fight to the end.
If you're willing to do that, then so am I. I am a very proud guardian, and I'm willing to risk my life to help others. Excuse me. I'm willing to help others in need, even if I have to sacrifice my own life. It's the only way for me to make sure that they're safe. And in case if no threat tries to come.
See, well, like I said, I better be heading my way.
Alright, you need a portal or something like that, or you can just do it by yourself.
I can chaos control in this world, you know.
Yeah, you can basically do that. Yeah, that can work.
Yeah. Well, at least if I meet a person the kid described.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you, I guess. And who knows, or perhaps meet across again.
Same. Only time will tell if we try to meet each other again. But hey, I'm still around if you need me.
We'll see. Alright. Well, let's be on my way.
Alright. See you later, Steve. You have fun with what you have fun with what you do. Alright. This is my first time meeting an ultimate life form, but I'm still inexperienced when it comes to chaos energy, but hey, I'm still trying to learn something pretty new. What is happening to me? What the flying hell was that? Must be that damn fission again. Must figure this whole thing out before it's too late. But now, it's time for me to continue. It's time for me to relax and continue with nature.